Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to upload work documents in the Instawork app to complete your profile and get ready for job opportunities. First, open the Instawork app and log into your account. Then tap the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Next, scroll down in your profile until you find the Documents section. Tap the Upload button or the plus icon to add a new document. You can either take a photo of your document using your phone's camera or select an existing file from your device's gallery or storage. Make sure the document is clear and readable before confirming the upload. After uploading, review the document to ensure it appears correctly. Then save or confirm the upload. Repeat these steps to upload any additional documents required by Instawork. Once all your work documents are uploaded, your profile will be complete and you will be ready to book jobs. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.